Hey all, my name's Darren and I am the owner of the Fire and Water Cooking brand, and I want to thank you for stopping by my store today to check out the Fire and Water Cooking edible creations, seasonings, and sauces. I've created these with love using the best ingredients out there. One of the things I love about my seasonings is I use the highest quality black garlic you can find. I got amazed by a black garlic several years ago, and I started playing around with it, using it in my seasonings and sauces for my cooking channel and for guests, and I've really found out just how great of a seasoning it can be. And I started playing around and I created these seasonings and sauces. All of them are very unique. I started with the blueberry and black garlic seasoning. It's awesome on ribs. I got some going right now. Then I said, hey, I'm gonna start an all-purpose seasoning using black garlic, salt and pepper, and some other seasonings that is totally outstanding. For steaks and roasts, I decided I wanted to use coffee in the profile with the black garlic, because I've experimented with coffee rubs for a long time now, and I find that the coffee, the garlic, and the black pepper all work together with the salt to create a very complementary flavor for beef. Then I decided I wanted to put together a herb and black garlic compound butter, because I wanted something for seafood and chicken and for lighter items and vegetables that would really pop. And this is it. This will actually work great on just about everything: popcorn, potatoes, you name it, guys. This herb butter or herb and compound butter with black garlic is amazing. Of course, I got black garlic salt, black garlic powder. My sauces are really amazing as well, and they're all unique. I started with the Triple B sauce, which is black garlic, balsamic, and blueberry. Really goes complements with the ribs for the blueberry black garlic seasoning. Then I decided I wanted a hot version of that. People requested, hey, I want something like that but with a little spice to it. I added a little cayenne and chipotle, just enough to not overpower the regular flavors, but to give it a nice pop. And then I decided, hey, there's not a really good horseradish style sauce out there that uses black garlic. So I created the black stallion sauce, and this goes great with pork chops, steaks, roast, just about everything. Anything you would put steak sauce or Worcestershire sauce or anything else like that, try it out, guys. The black stallion sauce is probably my favorite. I'll pour it on my steak, I'll pour it on hamburgers, just about everything. So check it out, guys. I'm gonna be creating some more seasonings and sauces down the road. They're all gonna be high quality, all gonna be unique, and I wanna thank you for stopping by and checking them out. Thanks for watching, thanks for visiting, and I'll see you on the next video.